Shri Sai Ram. As you all know, whole humanity is facing a very difficult time due to this medical emergency. In this current situation, I just would like to say a few things which we are doing at Prasanthi Nilayam. The inspiration of Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba, the love and blessings which he has bestowed upon us. We are an organization, we are an institution which is known for its service, which is known for its humanitarian activity in the world. Keeping that in view, the moment this particular medical emergency has arisen, we all came together. Even the trust we discussed, and everybody unanimously agreed that we must in our own way participate in any manner to support the efforts of government, be it local, be it state level, be it at a national level. We must become part of a solution for current crisis. Prasanthi Nilayam is situated in Anantapur district, Andhra Pradesh. So we felt that we must immediately do something for the brothers and sisters who live in and around Prasanthi Nilayam and also people who live in these districts. So as part of our plan, we initially started a quarantine and isolation center in our super specialty hospital in Puttaparthi. Perhaps we are one of the very first charitable organizations to come forth and establish a quarantine and isolation center. We are planning to do 100-bed total. But right now we have already completed a 50-bed quarantine and isolation center and made available to the district administration. With our own hospital directors and medical superintendents, came together and finalized a list of medical supplies that would require for almost another 14 quarantine and isolation centers, roughly about 1400 beds. A supplies which will last for almost for 6 weeks' time. Because many of them who are in the health field, medical field, even others who are paramedical staff, they need protective gears, they need safety equipment, they need sanitizers, they need disinfectants. I'm sure Swami is very happy and will bless us all for this work which he himself has started several decades ago. He would be a proud father. I am very sure he will be a proud father that his children also are following in the footsteps. It's also a matter of great relief for the people of the district that an organization like Sathya Sai organization has come forward. There's a lot of goodwill. The very news when it got out that we are willing to come, and in fact there was a press release from the collectorate when I wrote a letter to them that we are willing and we are placing the orders. And that has created so much of positivity and a feeling of, anything from Prasanthi Nilayam, anything from Sathya Sai, they feel that a solution is coming their way. That is the way Swami and Swami's works are viewed. The moment Sathya Sai has stepped in, they feel there is a solution. That is the beauty of this organization. That is the credibility with which Swami established this beautiful institution. In monetary terms, it's coming out to approximately around 2 crore rupees. Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji had invited almost 15 to 16 social welfare organizations and religious organizations on a video conference. Inspiring talk which he gave about the nation, about the requirement of charitable institutions and social welfare institutions to participate. Of course, many of the participants expressed the safety of the volunteers in the process. So we were at dilemma. In fact, I spoke to our All India President Nimesh Pandya. We were at dilemma. How do we say that you go out and give, do service? But fortunately, in this current uh, video conference meeting with the Prime Minister, we got a direction saying at least you can ask your people to provide food to a lot of people who are on the roads, who are suffering due to this lockdown, and who cannot afford to have food unless they work every day. There are many millions of people like that. So with that direction, in fact, we have already discussed, and Mr. Nimesh has already given a call to the Sathya Sai organization across the country to engage themselves in community kitchens, start community kitchens, and wherever possible in Samiti levels and Bhajan Mandal levels, and wherever required. If food is to be given, we must provide that food, but with a condition that we must maintain the social distancing norms and take all the precautions, personal precautions, at the same time hygiene precautions, and then serve food. That's one thing which we have already given go ahead for all the volunteers. As you know, Sathya Sai organization has lakhs of 6 lakhs volunteers. We have more than 10,000 centers in this country. Swami's reach is very, 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 very far and wide. Swami is, of course, is universal. His reach is universal. He can reach any place. But Sathya Sai organization also has created that much kind of a network. We work almost in 550 districts in the country. So with the wide network, and also with Sathya Sai being recognized and called at national level that here is a service organization, that's very important for all of us. In fact, a lot of people have sent me congratulatory messages when Honorable Prime Minister included in his list of invitees for this meeting Sri Sathya Sai Central Trust and Sathya Sai organization. But for me, when I view it, our responsibility has gone up. Now we need to be more responsible and more into focused seva. But we must make use of this beautiful platform created by Avatar himself. And this is more of a sadhana. This is not like an NGO where non-governmental organizations do. This is a spiritual organization which Swami has started. So this is a beautiful platform which Swami and Avatar has created for us to realize our own selves through service. Treat Sathya Sai, any seva that is being done by Sathya Sai organization, it's to be treated as a sadhana. It should be assimilated as a sadhana to travel inside, to go inside, to grow inward is what Swami has started this organization for. The very purpose of this organization is to grow inward. If you see 9-point code of conduct, the first sentence what Swami says, this organization is set up for self-realization. So I think it's a beautiful opportunity. In our duty towards the nation, we also have contributed around 5 crore rupees to PM CARES, Prime Minister's COVID fund. We're also contributing another 5 crore rupees to Andhra government Chief Minister's Relief Fund. In all and all, we are 12 to 15 crores we are spending towards this COVID relief fund, which comes to around $2 million. But we cannot quantify in any monetary terms or any other terms the seva which is carried out by the devotees and volunteers of Sri Sathya Sai organization or Sathya Sai Trust. That is invaluable. People with a lot of money are seeking help today. you have seen in the Western countries. So I was just reading a small, now a lot of WhatsApps and messages are floating around. His son has written about the father's plight. He says his father is 73 years old and 73 years he was breathing the air freely from God, from nature. Today, one day breathing costs $5,000. So money is not the one which is going to help you at this time. It's love, it's affection, it's following the principles of God. Many times I wonder why humanity is going through this particular crisis. Maybe I just feel sometime we have taken things for granted. I think this whole nature, whole creation belongs to God. We're only tenants here. We should not forget that. Now at least let us go back to Him and ask Him for forgiveness and say, we'll keep the house, the home which You have given, the beautiful home You have given to us, the way it is so beautiful. It's a time we should reflect, we should introspect. Only divine love will protect us. Not the power, not the authority, not the money, nothing. We have seen in this current medical emergency, the heads of the states, kings, queens, tycoons, celebrities, everybody is at the same platform, at the same level. It's a great equalizer. Today, an unseen, a speck of God is bringing everybody on their knees. Corona is just a protein, very, very small, it's in some micron. If God unleashes just a speck, it can come to grinding halt. We will be made to sit on our knees. We must realize this. So let's not worry too much and run too much behind things which are not going to protect you. This is what we are witnessing. We never thought we will get to see a situation like this in 21st century, but we are doing it. Perhaps this is a wake-up call from God. It's a way Mother Nature is reacting. There are 84 lakh species in the creation. Human beings are only one among them. If we destroy the home, which is also home for them, be it plants, be it animals, be it birds, be it fish, all of them would have gone to God and said, please, one guy is creating a lot of problems for us, these human beings. Please tell them, please warn them, we also are staying here. Perhaps that's why this time I think God wanted us to take note of this and given us a warning. This beautiful organization, Sri Sathya Sai organization, always stood whenever there is a calamity or a problem situation faced by any of the brothers and sisters anywhere in the country, anywhere in the world for that matter. We had a tsunami, and when in Sathya Sai organization people were there to serve. We have flood situation in Kerala, we have seen in Orissa, earthquake in Gujarat, every time. Swami was there and Swami was guiding everybody. And many places, even now, if you ask local people, they say Sathya Sai organization volunteers were the first to reach any calamity place, any such location. That spirit is amazing. Brothers and sisters, I would like to tell you some very interesting thing, or something very inspiring also. We have nearly 1,200 volunteers on the Prasanthi Nilayam. We have come for Seva. Due to the lockdown that is announced by the government, they could not go back. Whatever difficulty they are having, they're still trying to do their best to give service here in Prasanthi Nilayam. I can't say my heart wells up the kind of dedication that they are showing. Some of them have elderly parents. Due to lockdown, they can't go out and bring things for themselves. Somebody's husband had a heart attack. One family said they had their daughter had a miscarriage. Somebody lost their father-in-law. They are unable to go. Various things. Some of them have left their children in the neighbor's house and come for thinking is 3-4 days or 1 week. But they are locked up. It only shows, even now, with smile, though their hearts are heavy, with a smile on their face, with a scarf around their neck, so beautifully. They're going around in Prasanthi Nilayam doing their duties. Where else on this planet you get to see something like that? Is it not the true love of God which makes them to do this? If you have to see miracles, this is only a miracle. There are no greater miracle than this. We are very fortunate and we are very, very lucky that we are working in our lives for a divine mission, a divine cause. For this, we are ever grateful to Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba that he has bestowed an opportunity for all of us to fulfill our lives by serving at his lotus feet. And we cannot thank him enough for this glorious opportunity of our lives. I only seek blessings from him. Not only for people who are here, people who are working in various parts of the country, various parts of the world. I pray to Swami to bless entire humanity and help them to come out of this crisis at the earliest, so that his children again can meet in this beautiful abode of Prasanthi Nilayam. Kulvanthal is empty. We are all waiting to see you all again, singing his glory at the lotus feet of Swami. Brothers and sisters, we will be waiting for you all. We are trying to keep Prasanthi as clean and as safe as possible. I am sure our prayers are with you, and likewise all your prayers are with us. Sai Ram.